Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to add color swatches plugin to your WordPress website in 2025. So this particular plugin is perfect for e-commerce stores that want to display the color options on the product pages. And the best part is that for this purpose, you don't need any coding experience. Now, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come in your WP admin dashboard. Over here, hover over to the left hand section and click on the option of add plugin. Over here, you need to search for this plugin that is color swatches, and you can also search for variation swatches for WooCommerce. So this is what we want. Now click on the install now option right next to it and click on the activate option. After the activation, you can go to the product section and go to the attribution and create a new attribution that is called color. Then you can enable the archives and set the types to color or the images and click on the attribute option. So now you must be seeing that the activate now option is not enabled for my store. It is because I haven't downloaded WooCommerce, but if you have downloaded WooCommerce, you will be able to easily activate it and follow the steps that I have shown you here. So this way you will be able to easily add the color swatches plugin in your WordPress website. If this video was helpful to you, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WooCommerce tips, and comment below if you want me to create a tutorial on image swatches or size options next. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.